Sprinklr is the first unified customer experience management platform for the enterprise. We help world's largest brands to do advertising, marketing, commerce, care, research on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and 22 other social media channels. We enable the user of a platform to engage and listen to their customers. Because we are integrated with all social media channels, we get large amount of data. To put things in perspective, just from Twitter alone, we get few hundred million tweets every day. So that's why we have a very large infrastructure with thousands of servers across different geolocations, petabytes of data, and we process billions of transactions every day. So with AWS, we work very closely with the enterprise support team, AWS, and they help us identify areas where we can do things better or more optimally. As a result, last year, because of using a trusted advisor and also enterprise support team's feedback, we were able to save $2.5 million. The thing which helps us most in trusted advisor is the security audits, and we use it quite extensively for that. So what we have done is for all the events that happens in AWS environment, we gather that data through CloudTrail, and we just dumped it in our database, and we generate alerts. And that's a homegrown system, but we are using CloudTrail for sending us all the messages. We are doing some very leading edge things, and that help us work with the product teams proactively and help shape the roadmap for Amazon products, so we can get something which is more useful to us. In addition to rapid response and some of the other support tactical things, there are a lot of more strategic things that the enterprise support has been helpful to us. We do get very detailed root cause analysis for even a smaller outage which impacts our environment. Although we were doing account reviews ourselves, but it's more discipline and someone who has the expertise of doing it, so it gives us more help. Sprinklr itself is in several countries, but even our DevOps team is very distributed. We have team in India, we have team in US, and in the US also we have in different geolocations. So we have dedicated TAM in India and also a dedicated TAM in the US who works with our local teams. AWS enterprise support is great value for money. We are, as a SaaS company, very cost conscious because we have to run our infrastructure at a certain percentage of revenues, as we have to keep our cost optimal. So AWS support has helped us a lot in optimizing our infrastructure and saved cost. The one thing which we have realized working with AWS in general, that AWS is a very customer-centric organization. So whether you're working with the product teams or you're working with the enterprise support team or you're working with any other support engineers, they always try to do what is best for us as customer.